Hi guys, welcome or welcome back. My name is Elaine, and today, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing from Polene. And I might as well also do a quick unboxing and shout out to one of my favorite boutiques. Of course, as usual, none of this is gifted nor sponsored. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. So I'm just going to do a quick reveal here of some items I got as gifts. So I'm not going to actually unwrap it, but I just want to show you guys how cute this wrapping is. It is a little delicate here, but I have one item here. So this is from a boutique called Rosebuds Home Goods from Eureka, California. And I just want to give them a little shout out here because big into supporting small businesses. They stock a lot of beautiful home goods, a lot of it from other small businesses. And I think they might be struggling for a little bit. The last time I was in Eureka, they were actually not open. They do have an online store. This is where I picked it up, and they wrap it beautifully. They do have a lot of zero waste goods. So if you're looking for a gift for an eco-conscious person in your life, I highly recommend checking them out. Let's get on to the main event. So I actually haven't done a Polene unboxing for a while. I did have the Mochi Mini for a brief second. I did a quick Reels review of it earlier this year. It just wasn't the bag for me. I didn't really love the leather. And so this time I decided to try the Numero Neuf East West. Beautiful little pamphlet. I don't know, brochure. What do you call it? I see a lot of these images are on their social media. It's cute, all right. And beautiful packaging as always. Ooh. And then that's what it looks like. Oh, it's actually a little heftier than I expected. Oh, interesting. Okay. Oh, so this is the Numero Neuf East West in the color chalk. So, you know, chalk is one of their mainstays, main colors, and I don't think I've actually gotten anything in chalk before. I have a Tote Polene Beri, which I will bring out in a second to do a little comparison. Little handle shaper, cute. Okay. Let's see. Oh, zipper stuck. That's not good. As you can see here, they have a little thread, which I'm assuming is the tag, and the zipper is stuck. I mean, let's see. I wonder if I can finagle it out or... All right. Oof, that was a little tough. All right. Okay, finally got it open. Okay. And take out the stuffing. This is what it looks like on the inside. Let me just try it on my shoulder. Oh yeah, I can do a little. And then if I do end up keeping this bag, I will of course do a full review. The sniff test, right? Yeah, so smells more like leather than not. I wouldn't say it's like a to die for leather smell, but you know, not bad. Interesting. I do see already a little mark right here. I don't think it's makeup because it's a little like a dark gray color. Let me see. Otherwise, I mean, leather edging's not bad. Seems pretty consistent. Stitching looks good. Honestly, if I was a type A person who was like very picky about their bags, this is not a good sign. I mean, to come pre-marred is not fun. I guess also you're looking at a very white bag, so this is the risk you take. I see the branding is on the side in gold, and then you do have a key ring here, I guess for a charm if you wanted to. So let me bring out my Beri and do a quick comparison. So this is my Polene Beri from several years ago. I don't wear it that often. I did a lot before, but once I had my daughter, I never really used it. It doesn't quite fit all my daily essentials, but I guess it could be a very cute going out bag if you wanted to. Just from feel alone, I would say the leather is quite comparable. Yeah. So here's a little side by side. I think they look about the same. All right, so let's see what fits. So right now I'm using my Row Park Tote. It's the fall, it's a nice, easy grab and go bag. if you want to check out the leather comparison of these two. It's a little unfair to compare for Polene because, of course, the row is sourcing what is hopefully possibly the best leather that they can afford. But I do have to say, I am pleasantly surprised that this bag is not the shiny, like stiff leather that I encountered with the Mochi Mini. That one felt very plasticky, and so this one does not. So I would say yes, this one feels more like the Beri, matte, not too shiny. I just noticed here this base has this cross stitch here to, you know, provide some structure for an East-West bag, because there's nothing worse than an East-West bag kind of sagging in the middle. Actually, before I see what fits, let's just do a quick weighing of the bag. So this bag weighs 1 pound, 3.6 ounces, 1 pound, 4 ounces. Okay, so now let's go pack it in. My wallet, sunglasses, my mom pouch. If I have just those essentials, it does fill it quite a bit. And, you know, sunscreen and hand sanitizer balm. So I guess if I got a little bit of everything, and I forgot to mention inside here, there is one flat pocket, which could fit a card case. See if it'll fit my Calvi. It fits the Calvi. I don't know if you can see that there, and then I'll zip the whole thing up. It all fits. So it does fit the essentials, which is nice. I think I always liked the look of the Numero Neuf, but I never went for it because the mini size seemed too mini and the big size seemed too big. It is nice that it does have a zipper here to keep it closed, but this zipper is not, it doesn't want to cooperate. So this tag is clearly on the exterior, so it's not the tag that's stuck. It's just the zipper is really, really stiff. Not a fan of that. You really have to tug the bag to get it open. I don't know. I expected the big opening to be a little bit easier to get in and out of. I know I've read some reviews about the Numero Neuf. The one that I like is from Christy. Her blog is called Since When, and I'll link it down below. But she had a very good review of the Numero Neuf about 3 years ago, which actually made me not want to get the bag, so thank you. So then when I saw the East-West style, I was very excited, and I definitely wanted to give it a shot. So I'm not a huge fan of the zipper, but you know what? I will do some mod shots and I will see how this bag feels. Anyways, yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this interesting or informative. If you could like or subscribe, that would greatly support my, I think it's 5-month-old channel now. Still relatively new, and I hope to keep growing and bring you more riveting bag content. So if you could like or subscribe, I would appreciate that. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.